BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it could be simply the calendar. So let's assume that I want to save the following screen. So all I need to do is use this combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. And as you can see, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again. Let's use together power key and volume down simultaneously. And as you can see and hear, the device just took a screenshot. So now if you would like to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want with your screenshots, let's open the upper bar and tap screenshot captured. You can also accomplish that by using the gallery right here. Let me tap allow. And here from gallery, let's find the screenshot folder, and now you can choose your screenshot to share, edit, delete or do whatever you want. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.